Are you currently following a ketogenic diet but wondering if it's time to introduce more carbs into your eating routine? Well, today I'm here to share with you 10 signs that your body might be desperately craving more carbs. Hi, my name is Lesya and I'm a nutritionist for professional women. Today I want to cover 10 signs that your body is screaming for more carbs. As I go through these signs, I encourage you to keep track of which ones you're experiencing, and in the end, I'll share how you can bring back carbs strategically and effectively. We have a lot to cover, so I'm going to go through these quickly. Sign number 1 is your weight loss has stalled. Imagine you're on a journey climbing a mountain, but suddenly you find yourself stuck on a plateau, unable to move forward. That's what a weight loss stall feels like. If for 3 consecutive weeks you're not seeing any changes in your weight, body fat, inches lost, or even how your clothes fit, it's time to shake things up. Just like adding more fuel to your car's tank, introducing some healthy carbs can rev up your metabolism and kickstart that fat-burning engine again. Sign number 2 is you're experiencing excessive hair loss. Have you ever had a bad hair day that seems to last for weeks or even months? Well, imagine that feeling multiplied by 10. Hair loss can be distressing. While keto-induced hair loss is usually temporary, if you're constantly finding yourself shedding more hair than usual, it's a sign that your body needs a change. Bringing back some carbs can be like nourishing your hair roots with essential nutrients, giving them the strength to grow back thicker and healthier. Sign number 3 is that you have high cortisol levels or adrenal fatigue. Picture yourself in a high-speed race, running at full throttle for an extended period. Your body's stress response, represented by cortisol levels, kicks into overdrive, leading to exhaustion. Following a long-term keto diet while already dealing with high cortisol levels or adrenal fatigue is like pushing yourself to run even faster when you're already exhausted. It only adds more stress to your body. Instead of trying harder, it's time to take a breather and listen to your body's cries for help. Introducing healthy carbs strategically can be like hitting the brakes, allowing your body to recover and heal. Sign number 4 is you're restricting carbs during the week only to binge on them on weekends. Imagine you're on a seesaw, trying to balance yourself on the low carb side throughout the week, but as the weekend arrives, the other end of the seesaw suddenly lifts you up, and you find yourself diving headfirst into a carb-filled feast. This roller coaster of restriction and then indulgence is a sign that your body craves more balance. Just like finding a stable rhythm on the seesaw, gradually incorporating moderate, healthy carbs during the week can help you maintain equilibrium and prevent those weekend carb binges. Sign number 5 is that you're feeling deprived on keto. Have you ever been invited to a party but felt like an outsider, unable to fully participate in the festivities? Well, feeling deprived on keto is similar. It's like sitting at a banquet table but being told you can only feast on a limited selection of dishes. Feeling deprived leads to thoughts of scarcity and restriction, which can negatively impact your relationship with food. Just like embracing the full buffet of life, finding a balanced approach that includes healthy carbs allows you to feel satisfied and enjoy a more varied and sustainable lifestyle. Sign number 6 is poor sleep and difficulty falling asleep. Imagine you're in a beautiful dream, but suddenly you're jolted awake by a noisy alarm clock. Your sleep feels restless, like sailing through stormy seas rather than peacefully cruising on calm waters. While keto can bring benefits like increased energy, it could also interfere with your sleep patterns. However, just like tucking yourself under a cozy blanket, introducing carbs before bed can help raise serotonin levels and lower cortisol, promoting a more peaceful and restorative sleep experience. Sign number 7 is low thyroid function or hypothyroidism. Think of your thyroid as the conductor leading the orchestra of your body's functions. But when the thyroid function becomes sluggish, it's like a conductor losing their rhythm, leading to a symphony that sounds off-key. Long-term ketosis can disrupt thyroid function, leading to low thyroid-related symptoms and a slow metabolism. Your thyroid needs insulin, and healthy carbs can facilitate the necessary conversions. It's like giving the conductor a boost, allowing them to lead the orchestra harmoniously once again. Cyanate is that you feel weak during your workouts or easily run out of breath. Imagine you're an athlete running a race, but your body feels like it's running on empty, lacking the fuel to keep going. This weakness and breathlessness during workouts on keto are a sign that your body needs more glucose to perform at its best. While it's possible to continue the race on a low-carb diet, introducing carbs before your workouts can provide that extra burst of energy, just like filling up your car's gas tank before a long drive. Sign 9 is that you fear eating all carbs while indulging in unhealthy ones. Think of carbs as a diverse group of friends, with some being incredibly supportive and others being a bad influence. But fearing all carbs while secretly indulging in unhealthy ones is like avoiding your supportive friends while spending time with those who lead you down the wrong path. It's important to find a healthy balance and make informed choices. Don't be afraid to embrace whole, real foods that nourish your body rather than falling into the trap of fearing all carbs. Sign number 10 is that you overeat keto foods but still feel unsatisfied. Imagine you're craving a delicious meal, but no matter how much you eat, you never fully feel satisfied. It's like being stuck in a food frenzy where you're constantly reaching for keto snacks and junk foods, hoping to fill that void. But these snacks can be like empty calories, leaving you wanting more. Instead, incorporating healthy, fiber-rich carbs into your meals can provide a sense of satiety and prevent excessive calorie consumption. It's like nourishing your body with a well-balanced, satisfying meal. So, I want you to be honest with me. Did any of these signs resonate with you? Let me know in the comments. If so, it's essential to pay attention to your body's cues and consider reintroducing healthy carbs into your eating routine. Remember, achieving your fat loss goals is about finding the right balance for your unique body. If you want to learn more about bringing back carbs without gaining weight and boosting fat burning, I invite you to check out my training on carb cycling with keto. I'll leave a link to that in the description. It's time for you to prioritize your well-being and embark on a journey towards a healthier and more balanced approach to nutrition. I'll see you in the next video.